Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Apple Watch Ultra 2. First, power on your watch by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, bring your iPhone close to the watch. A pairing screen will automatically pop up on your iPhone. Tap Continue and then choose to set it up for yourself. Position your iPhone so the watch face fits within the yellow frame on your screen to complete the pairing. After pairing, you'll decide whether to restore from a previous backup or set up your Ultra 2 as a brand new device. Then, sign in with your Apple ID to ensure all your apps and services are ready to go. You'll also be prompted to create a secure passcode, which is essential for Apple Pay and protecting your data. Take a moment to customize settings like text size and bold text for optimal readability. Now it's time to get your essential apps and features configured. Make sure to install key applications like Activity, Workout, and Maps for a full experience. If you have a cellular model, you can activate your cellular plan directly from your iPhone. Don't forget to customize your notifications so you only receive alerts that matter most to you. Also, explore the versatile action button for quick access to your favorite functions. Finally, let's optimize your health and fitness tracking. Input your personal details, such as height and weight, for the most accurate activity and calorie burn data. Set up your emergency contacts and medical ID, which can be life-saving in an urgent situation. Calibrate your watch by walking or running for at least 20 minutes outdoors to improve distance and pace accuracy. Explore advanced features like heart rate zones and blood oxygen monitoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.